Your diorama isn't just a platform. It determines how well your scenery and structures hold up over time. A weak base can warp or shift, but with the right materials, you'll have a solid foundation that lasts. Step 1. I like to start with Gator Board because it's a lightweight material, it's rigid, it resists warping much better than traditional foam board, and it gives me a strong flat base to build on. Step 2 of this process is adding structure with 1-inch foam. I typically use 2 layers. Next, I build up the base using the 2 layers of 1-inch foam. This allows me to carve the terrain details later and keeps the diorama lightweight while still being very durable. The next step is I top everything off with typically 2mm cork layer, sometimes 3mm. This helps with the texture and adhesion and even sound dampening if you're working with model trains. I typically get this cork, the 2mm in a roll at a Hobby Lobby, or you can get it off Amazon. Step 4 of this whole process is once the base is built up, I add a basswood frame, typically 1/32 inch thick, around it. This not only strengthens the edges, but gives the diorama a professional, finished look. Step 5 of this process, I finally paint the basswood frame black. As you can see, this creates a clean border that draws attention to the scene while giving the whole build a polished museum-style appearance. This wraps up the first part of this diorama building series. Now that the base is built and ready, in the next video, I'll show you how I start texturing the ground with Sculptamold and creating realistic concrete surfaces. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next part. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.